Depot to get some wood. Okay. First thing we need to do is find a carrier for this stuff. However, we did get our wood from Home Depot and everything's looking pretty good. The only thing I need to do now is getting some screws. Otherwise it won't be able to stick together unless I make wooden joints. Well, I'm so happy that we're able to get all this wood into our area. Plenty of room because the seats fall down, so that's nice. And onto the project, where it kind of looks like it's going to rain this now, just about now, I'll guess. We'll see. Well, that's all the wood we got. That's all I needed to build this little climbing frame, and that's going to go in the middle, that white piece there. So looking pretty good so far. Let the games begin. Well, good afternoon. We've started building the garden trellis. Here it is here. It's lying down, of course, but I cut it, I got it set up. It's only very roughly put together right now, but I discovered it was too tall, so I've been shortening these legs. Just got one leg to do, and then the idea is to put those slats, put them down here, put them on the back, get a cross brace here so it doesn't get like tipply, and then continue on. And of course it needs a top. I need to put some top lintel on there, and this is it standing up. Of course it's going to be a top piece. This is going to be a planter down there. A nice project for Sunday afternoon. It looks better from a distance, like 2 miles away or something. Ah yes, beautiful. Much better. Much more in proportion. It was too tall before. Here we are back at the construction woodwork area. Let's see what we've got going on here. Well, what we got here? Yep, that looks like the boy there. Well, we've got a nice cart. It's a big place. Well, oh look, here we are back at Home Depot again. This time we're going to get some potting soil for the trellis. What's going on here? Yeah, let's just park here like you should be parked. Ah yes, look at that. Absolutely wonderful. I mean, okay. Man, it looks like a nursery here. Look at it. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Good job, Home Depot. Ah, this one says indoor and outdoor potting mix. All natural. Good. We'll get that one. I got some potting soil here, and we can transplant the kiwi plants into these pots. I've got 3 pots here. So that's the next thing to do. So we'll need some lattice for this area here to go down all the way up there. I found some lattice in the shed, but it's old and it's rotten. I sprayed it a little bit, give it a bit of colour, but I'm not going to use this. I'm going to use that on the back of this area here. And on the back here I put some old trellis that I painted. Looks great, just the job. But we're waiting for trellis in this area here to go all the way up, and that's from Home Depot. course I'm using potting soil, but I'm mixing it with soil from the garden because it has worms in it.
Today's video is John making a plant holder. This is the plant holder.